Best oil dispenser. We review top 5 best oil dispenser. Emile Henry Oil Cruet. Emile Henry has been making olive oil dispensers in France since the 1850s, and this one does it all. It has a clean, classic silhouette, and there are many color options available. From shades of red and pink to earth tones to bright springy hues. Furthermore, the high-fired burgundy clay this is made from is extremely durable. It promises not to scratch or crack, and it's dishwasher safe. At 11 ounces, its capacity isn't huge, but if you're using it for finishing oil rather than for frying or cooking, it will still last you a while. The spout is easy to use, easy to replace, and overall, we think this is an excellent dispenser. Zulay 17-ounce olive oil dispenser bottle. Does this dispenser kind of just look like an olive oil bottle without labels? Yes, but that's a good thing. The thick, dark glass, which is shatter-resistant, will protect the liquid gold inside from UV rays, keeping it fresh for longer. It also comes with one plain pouring spout with a dust cap, one funnel, 2 black caps, and 2 inner cork pieces. It's designed for minimal hassle, no drips, and no fuss. It's also easy to clean, just pop it in the dishwasher. It may not be the most distinctive option out there, but if you're a minimalist on a budget, this is your bottle. Three Points Pottery Ceramic Olive Oil Cruet. If you're looking for something beautiful and handmade for your kitchen, you probably already know that someone on Etsy has your back. This ceramic olive oil cruet is made to order in Utah with several customization options. It comes in the range of primary colors: white, gray, bronze, and matte black. You can choose a weighted spout or a more traditional spout. A custom label with up to 9 characters is also included. Because it's custom-made, it will take longer to deliver than something from a big warehouse, but it will be an item that you cherish for a good while. Luigi Bormioli Precious Glass Olive Oil Bottle. We love the Precious Glass Olive Oil Bottle by Luigi Bormioli because of its practicality and vintage look. It states clearly, and with industrial chic vibes, that it holds 0.25 liters of olive oil, which for those not on the metric system is about 8.5 ounces or a little over a cup. In other words, it doesn't hold a lot. But, again, if you're using it for finishing oil and/or are in a small kitchen or apartment, it may be the perfect size. We also love this for finishing oil for its protective qualities. Between the thick glass and the silicone stopper, no light or air is getting in. It's dishwasher safe for over 2,000 industrial wash cycles and is anti-scratch. La Porcellana Bianca 34-ounce Menage Oil Bottle. If you want to feel like you're cooking in Nonna's Tuscan kitchen with an olive grove in the backyard, we love the La Porcellana Bianca Menage Oil Bottle. First of all, it holds the most olive oil on this list, by far, with a 34-ounce capacity. You could certainly use this for finishing oil. But this is one of the few dispensers that could work for cooking oil, too. The flip side of that is that you should make sure it will fit in the nook of your kitchen that you're planning on storing it in. The design will keep light and air away from the oil inside, and it will look great in your kitchen or on your table. Wins all around.